Hello everyone and welcome to an episode of Investigation. In today's episode of Investigation, as you can see from this black background, I will be trying something new and different today. So stay tuned for that. And in fact, I will going to be using an animation tool called AIME, and I am using the community edition of it. This AIME language of animation tool uses Python and is created by 3Blue1Brown, which I will link in the description below. I highly encourage you to check it out. But come on guys, if you're watching my videos, you probably have heard of him and watched the videos from him. So without being further ado, yes, after you watch this video, please go down to the comment section and comment, is this better than the previous videos that I have done using just a digital pen, or do you think I should revert to those old styles? As you can see, this does indeed take a lot more time than just writing on a whiteboard. So if you prefer this kind of production, please be aware that it is going to be a lot less frequent uploads. So we'll get started, and today we'll go over the problem from 2021 AIME 2, problem 11. So let's get started by the problem statement. The problem says, a teacher was leading a class of 4 perfectly logical students. The teacher chose a set S of 4 integers and gave a different number S to each student. Then the teacher announced to the class that the numbers in S were 4 consecutive 2-digit positive integers, and that some number in S was divisible by 6 and a different number in S was divisible by 7. The teacher then asked if any of the students could deduce what S is, but in unison, all of the students replied no. However, upon hearing that all 4 students replied no, each and every student was able to determine the elements of S. We want to find the sum of all possible values of the greatest element of S. So it says it's a set of 2-digit numbers, and that a number is divisible by 6 and a different number is divisible by 7. So we can start by listing out all of the 2-digit multiples of 6 and the 2-digit multiples of 7, as I have done over here. Now we can take a look at namely 42 and 84 here. Both of these are going to be the same, and in the problem it says a different number in S, which means that I am going to eliminate those. Those cannot be in a possible S. So eliminating those, now we can take a look at the case we have with 18 and 21. Now if we have 18 and 21, then if you look at those 4 numbers, we must have 19 and 20 because they're consecutive. And if I am someone who got this 18, then, let me think. There's nothing to the left. Well, the biggest I could have maybe is like a 15. But there's nothing to the left, and there's nothing to the right. So if I got 18, I'm 100% sure that the element of S is 18, 19, 20, and 21. So I will be able to figure out what S is. So we cannot have this situation where we have 18 and 21. So we can eliminate those. Similarly, we can eliminate every pair that has a difference of 3. Now we can look at 12 and 14. In 12 and 14, we have 2 possibilities. We have 11, 12, 13, 14, or 12, 13, 14, 15. And in each of the possibilities, if you take a look at 11 and 15, if I got 11 or 15, this means that, well, if I got 11, there's no other possibilities that it could be. So I'll be sure the set S is 11, 12, 13, 14. Same thing goes with 15. I'll be sure that the set S is 12, 13, 14, 15. This means that you cannot have either of those cases either. So we eliminate those along with what we have as 2830, 5456, etc. Now we take a look at the case with 3536. There are three cases, namely 33 to 36, 34 to 37, 35 to 38. Now, if we take a look at the same situation, if I got 33 or 38, I will be able to figure out what S is. So eliminate the first and the third possibility. So we are left with 34, 35, 36, 37. Now, if I got 34, 35, or 36, the set S might contain 33. Who knows? If I got 37, the set S might contain 38. Who knows? So none of the students were actually able to figure out what the set S is. But when everyone knows that none of them have been able to figure out, they can eliminate the first and third choices, the first and third possibilities. Now they know, oh, it must be that specific set, 34, 35, 36, 37. We can apply the same thinkings to the other ones, so we only have 4 possible sets of S, giving us an answer of 37 plus 50 plus 79 plus 92, or 258. So that is a video solution brought to you by Investigation and along with Manium. If you liked this style of new videos, please leave a comment down below. Encourage, say, Investigation, I like this new style, so please keep it. Or say, nah, I like the classic writing on the whiteboard style. It's better for me. I just like it better. I can learn better with that. I can revert to that as well. So this is mostly just an experiment video, as long as I'm also pushing out new content. So thank you for watching this episode of Investigation, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.